In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set limit order on Schwab. If you want to control the exact price you pay when buying a stock or ETF or the minimum price you'll accept when selling, a limit order is the tool to use. It's designed to give you price control and help you avoid surprises in fast-moving markets. A limit order tells your broker to execute only at your specified price or better. For a buy limit, you set the highest price you're willing to pay. For a sell limit, you set the lowest price you'll accept. The key idea is that it will not fill unless the market reaches your price or improves on it. That control comes with a trade-off. There's no guarantee you'll get filled if the market never touches your level. Here's how to place it on the Schwab website. Log in at schwab.com. From the main navigation, go to Trade and open the all-in-one trade ticket. If you prefer, you can also use the snap ticket that appears on many pages. First, select the account you want to trade from so the order is routed correctly. Enter the symbol for the stock or ETF. Under Action, choose Buy if you're purchasing shares or Sell if you're offloading them. Next, set the order type to Limit. Now enter your limit price. For a buy limit, that's the maximum you'll pay. For a sell limit, it's the minimum you'll take. Choose the timing, often called time in force. Day keeps the order active for the current regular trading session, while good till canceled leaves it working until it fills or you cancel it, up to Schwab's typical limit of about 180 days. If you want the order to be eligible in pre-market or after-hours sessions and it's supported, select a Day Plus Extended or GTC Plus Extended option. Remember, during extended hours, only limit orders are accepted. Review everything carefully: symbol, action, quantity, and price, then place the order. For example, a buy limit at 50 won't execute if the stock stays above 50. A quick note on duration: day orders expire at the end of the regular session if they don't fill. GTC orders persist across days until they execute or reach the maximum allowed duration. You can adjust or cancel a working order if your plan changes. Finally, understand how fills work. Your order can be partially filled if only some shares are available at your price. Liquidity and volatility matter. Thinly traded names might take longer. The benefit is protection against paying more or selling for less than you intended, with the understanding you might miss a trade if price doesn't cooperate.